Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today let us begin with a tough sum in banking. A sum of money is deposited in a bank which offers 10% per annum compounded interest. Compounded half yearly. After 1.5 years, the interest earned is rupees 3,969. Find the principal. This is a sum where we have to find the principal. Given is rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Time is equal to 1.5 years. That is equal to 3 halves. That will be divided into half yearly means 6 months. So in 1.5 years there will be 3 half years. The 6 months tenure you will be having. So interest is equal to rupees 3,969. Step 1. All of you should be concentrating in writing the steps properly. So convert rate of half year, rate per half year is equal to 10%. 10% divided by 2 is equal to 5%. Use compound interest formula in this sum. Step 2 is use compound interest formula. CI is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n, that is number of months, minus 1, where P is the principal. And the third step is substitute the values into the formula. All the working I have done, you substitute all the values in that formula which is given. CI is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1. All the working I have given, these children. Principal amount is 3,969, that is equal to P into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power of 3, that is 3 halves. The amount is, the time is divided into 3 halves. So 1.5 is equal to 3 set of 6 months. And minus 1, that is in the formula only. From that formula only we have taken down that minus 1. So fourth step is solve for the principal. Solve for the principal. In the place of same you have to write down 3,969 is equal to P into 1 plus 0.05, that 5 is divided by 100, you will get that point 0.05 to the power of 3 minus 1. Again, after if you minus 1 from 0. Add 1 plus 0.05, you will be getting 1.05. Same, that is repeated to the power of 3 minus 1. Same 1.05, if you multiply into 3, you are going to get 3 times, you are going to get 1.157625 minus 1, again you are going to get 3,969 is equal to principal amount. So from that if you minus 1, you are going to get 0.157625. See the solving I have done, children, so that you practice this. 3,969 is equal to, divided by 0.157625 is equal to principal amount. So we are doing the calculation as I have done. I have shown you. See, 3,969 divided by 0.157625. First of all, the first step you have to do in calculating is you have to remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, you will be you will have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by this amount. So how many zeros and values are there after decimal? That many zeros you have to put in that calculation, in that multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6 values are there after the decimal. So you have to add 6 zeros and multiply with the numerator and denominator. That is the first step you have to do for that calculation. And then after that you get this amount 3,969,000,000 divided by 157625. And I've done the division also for you children so that it is easy for you to practice it. No one is perfect, children. Only the key is you have to practice it and practice it. That is the only key you have to apply for this. So after the divisions, you have done all these divisions. So in the last answer, you have to add 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 180. After adding that, you will be getting the quotient. Round off it with, after adding you got 25,180. So you can round off to that 180 to 200. So it becomes 25,200. So the principal amount is going to be 25,200. I would like you to practice this through 2-3 times. No one is perfect, children. Only that key consistency and practice. Every day you have to spend a half an hour or 45 minutes for this subject. And one more thing I wanted to share is all the children get scared of these numbers, these formulas. It is very easy. First of all, you have to prepare your mind, telling yourself that it is easy and you can do it. And you're definitely are going to get good marks. And one more thing I would add on this is that this subject, everyone thinks it is rocket science or something we cannot do. I will tell you that it is a gym for your brain. If you go to a gym, everyone wants to make a beautiful body and strengthen our body. So if we have to strengthen our brain, we have to do all these maths, problems, solvings. And if you think you are not good at this subject, it means that you have to go down the lane and practice from tables to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Step by step, if you do, you're going to strengthen your brain. This is only a subject where you can train your brain to tackle all the problems in life also. So I hope you understood. I'll be sharing few tips and tricks so that how you have to deal with subjects. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and encourage my work if you people like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow. Goodbye.